morning. Nagluto ako ng, what is that? Bacon and pancake. That pancake is very fluffy. Eat more, love. Don't eat too much. That's the only thing that don't eat too much bacon. Because it's very salty. Grabe ang salty ng bacon, guys. For some reason, it's different. Well, bacon, this one is maybe because it's thicker, it's makapal siya compared to other thin bacon. That's why you taste a lot of salt. Kami kong gawain sa bahay. Nilabahan ko na yung kurtina. Hanap tayo ng kapalit. Kung hindi ako makahanap, ibalik ko yun. Gusto ko yung blackout na kurtina ba. Ang dami naming kurtina, pero hindi ko alam kung meron bang okay doon. Pangit man yung blue, Pangit yan, yung sobrang blue na blue. Karay. Ang first floor namin, sobrang ginaw. Parang, sobrang ginaw talaga. Hindi ko alam kung okay ba yan. 1, 2, 3. Tatlo sa isang bintana. Okay. Para dikit-dikit. So, I think, meron akong mga kurtina asan man yun? I think wala na. Binigay ko na lahat sa Pilipinas. Hi guys. Hi, Diambele. Mama's gonna order something for you. Okay? It's for you specifically. Hi guys. So, ngayon, itong asawa ko, nakakaluka guys kasi tawag nito mag-file, di ba? Mag-file kami ng yung tawag nun, pension. Guys, naluka ako guys. Matagal ko na yung gustong i-file guys. Si Tami parang ayaw magkuha ng pera, parang ayaw niya ng pension guys. Yung black card gamitin ko ito lang. So, parang ayaw niya ng pension, guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya sa akin, we start, fill upping. Basta kayo, mauna na si fill upping. Ang daming basura ni Mister. Basurero, yun niya akong bana, Jod. Ako kasi, dito na siya. Hindi na naman niya i-process kasi guys, meron siyang nakita sa papel. So, yun na nga guys, and he doesn't wanna file it. So, I guess he really doesn't need money, He's too wealthy already, guys. so now, he found a note about, because he want me to get the money if God forbid something happened to him, if there's something happened to him, because I can only get the amount of what the offer for spouse for when I get 60, right? When I get to 60 years old, that means forever, and God is coming. He's gonna be here soon. He's picking us up, right, love?
But I'm not locking time frame.
Did you do this? No, there's no time frame, hon.
You say, he'll be here before I'm 60. You don't know that.
We don't know, but I'm not.
I know you don't know. That's the point.
Yeah, but I'm not aftering about that thing. You said I told you just to get the whole amount. Did you lock the thing?
Yes.
So, just to get the whole amount while we're still here, lah. So, get another tomato, the same tomato, okay? The coconut milk, it's in the text. Don't get any.
Where?
It's in the text. Whatever. Don't get any more.
Where do they have the coconut milk?
I don't know.
What aisles?
I'm not sure, honey. You should get the ginger. Get the organic ginger, not the fat ginger. If there's no organic, then get the other. There's no choice. Tomato.
Tomato on the vine.
There's a specific can for coconut milk, ha? Ako guys, mag-transfer ng mga clips guys kasi I need to edit a lot of videos. So luckily I'm able to edit sa cellphone ko, not in a laptop anymore. I don't use my Mac anymore, guys, because it's annoying to carry a Mac. It's really annoying kapag you always carry your laptop to edit, and this editing using a cell phone, it's very convenient. So what are you getting over there?
Tomatoes, ginger, coconut milk, beef broth.
Oh yeah, beef broth. Careful. Two chicken for the dog, love. Okay? Because we don't have a space. Hello So, andito lang ako sa bahay. Hindi ako sumama doon, guys, sa grocery store kasi alam niyo na, meron tayong gawain dito. Nag ako ng mga clips, nag-transfer at nag-edit ako, guys. So, yun. Irritable lang ako kanina kay Tami kasi nga alam niyo na yung pension talaga na hindi niya kunin. Iwan ko na lang si Batman. I-process namin yan Thursday. Sabi ko wala kang gagawin. Ang gagawin po natin Thursday, i-process talaga natin yan. Pagkatapos natin i-process, magpunta tayo sa Citibank. May problema man yung asawa ko, guys, sa mga papilis. So, ganito po kasi yung istorya. Meron ang full amount ayaw ni Tami kunin kasi gusto niya monthly. Half lang yung kukunin niya or hindi ko sure kung half pa yun. Basta kayo. Gusto ni Tami pag mawala siya, ang half din, meron makukuha ko monthly. Pero nabasa niya sa papel, doon, guys, nasabihin na dapat 60 ako bago ko makuha. So, kaya sabi ko sa kanya, wag mo na akong isipin dong. Okay naman ako, mabubuhay naman ako. Kukunin mo na yung full amount monthly kasi sayang dong. No, ilang months na nang lumilipas, hindi mo pa nakukuha yung pension mo, ino-offer na sa'yo, ayaw mo pa. Hindi ko talaga siya magets, guys, iwan ko na lang. Sabi ko, you need money ba, pero for your grocery and all your expenses and stuff, kasi gusto niya yung ganun. Pero you don't really like collecting what you have to do, what you have to collect, like yung pension, yung ganun. So, are you wealthy? Do you have a lot of money? Kasi you're not eager to get all that money from your pension. Ako na lang yung mairita, and then paminsan I have to talk. Kailangan kong kausapin yung kailangan kong kausapin yung sarili ko. Na relax, Mary Ann. Your husband is very dugay magtrabaho, no?
This is for you though.
Oh, put it down.
No, he wants to ride in front.
Oh my goodness.
I have to ride in front. If you're gonna kill me, you gotta at least look at me.
Ay. Another lobster na naman. Oh my goodness. Oh, you have to put this in here, right here. It's wet.
What?
It's wet. Put it here. Right here. Bumili na naman ng lobster.
You want to look at it, I get it. Feel guilty.
Kaloka to.
Your coconut milk, I had this. It's the only organic one they had.
Nako.
Why?
I guess mag-lobster tayo ngayon. Hindi tayo mag-chicken picara. Kalokohan man itong asawa ko Palagi na lang yan siya ganyan, guys. You know, kahit pinagsisigaw-sigawan ko na yan kanina ba, dahil sa paperworks. Hindi man yan totally sigaw-sigaw. Yung alam nyo na, yung bibig ko na unstoppable. Ganyan yan siya. Siya pa yung palaging ganyan sa akin. Palaging hindi niya ako makakalimutan. Palaging bumibili ng anik.
I got one lobster, otherwise you have one too.
Huh?
I only got the one, otherwise you want me to have one too.
Why is that?
Because
even though I was yelling at you, you give me lobster. Why is that?
why not?
Do you love me?
Yes, hon. Then you had some guy who's like whining and moaning and groaning because, he's not getting what he wants.
Really?
Oh, come on, a second.
Anyway, guys. So Tommy is done his grocery shopping. So I guess I'm not defrosting the chicken picada.
I was gonna have them cook it for you, but I figured, no, takes the fun away from having them jumping around.
Is it big or small?
It's only a pound and a half. They don't have any really big ones.
No, not like
He's bigger than a pound and a half, though.
Okay.
He's got to be closer to 2 pounds.
Even though I'm so bitchy this morning, this afternoon until we drive, you still think of me, baby. Hey, but we still have to do the paperwork, huh?
Yes, we do.
And then you can buy me lobster every month. Huh?
Why it's gotta be that direction?
Yeah. You're so good to me, even I'm bitchy. You're so good to me. Hey, your favorite? Oh, that's not your favorite shed.
No, but I like this one.
Which one? This
Right
one?
here, yeah. Like a 2-car garage with an upstairs room.
We can have a renter. Ayun. Tara guys, punta tayo sa labas. Mag-defrost. Mag-harvest tayo ng sitaw kasi kailangan ito ng sitaw eh. Masarap ito pag may sitiw. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. So, masarap ang sitaw guys. Sa mga gata, ganon. Masarap siya. At isa ito sa mga masarap igata. Ito, lalo na kapag merong merong kalbasa. You know. Kalbasa, manggod ang magpa-laut ba. Ang sarap sa feeling guys, mangin-hangin. Ba't ang dilim-dilim? Mangin-hangin and then mainit-init. Yan. Ang sarap ng feeling na meron tayong harvest guys. At saka ang mga tomato ko, ang dami-dami na din. Yung tomato ko, sobrang dami. Wala. Yeah, look up. Yan. Ang daming tomato. Dami din dito. Oh, tignan nyo. Hala. Tignan nyo. Mag-harvest tayo nito din. Kasi sayang ito masira. Ilagay natin ito sa ating lulutuin na ginataan. Look. Okay, hold this, love. Hold.
That's it?
That's it? Okay, fine. Okay, I'll get it. Okay.
I got one.
So, umalis kami ng bahay, guys. Kasi Tammy got the wrong milk. So, we have to get the coconut milk.
That by me. It said organic coconut milk. It wasn't the brand you wanted because they didn't have the brand you wanted. So I got organic coconut milk.
So, gawa tayo ng salad, guys. So, yun. Salad, pipino, galore. Ha?
What is something here?
You ordered me something? Come on, show it to her. What is that?
This is a whole food garden. It's a soaker hose. What is it garden? It's cookies here.
Oh, you ordered me something, a hose? We have a hose. We have a ton of hose.
Not a hose. The hose. It's a soaker.
Right here, sure. Seriously?
It leaks out of the whole hose. This is the brand.
Yeah, but we have a lot of speaker.
But you always want to go outside. You got to carry this big speaker to go outside and listen to your phone. So you have this.
Tingnan niyo, oh. Kahit ano-ano na lang yung order niya, guys. Kahit ano-ano na lang yung iniisip nitong tawanan ito. That speaker that we have, honey, it's nice, honey. And it's not heavy, honey. When I'm listening music, I don't put it on top of my head.
It's too annoying.
Huh?
It's too annoying to carry.
But you're not the one doing it. Why you get annoyed?
This way it's easier for you. You can also have radio. As it turns out, because he asked that question, one of those answers. Oh, what time to cut? He always waits. He waits until we start. You know. But so luckily it worked out really well.
Sarap ito eh. I love you.
Me too.
You don't sleep with me.
No.
Poor me. Poor me.
For you, you don't make yourself.
That you don't sleep with me. I'm a poor me. Good night, guys. Tulog lang ako, guys. Mag-edit pa actually ako.